what we getting into today? Do you see what we getting into today? The hair is looking crazy, y'all. We ready to get into it. I'm about to figure out what is in my little surprise package from Nadula Hair. You guys, I totally forgot this is a closure wig, 24 inches. Oh, it has the baby hairs already prepared for us. I thought I was working with a frontal, but this is like a 7x7 closure wig, I believe. I will link the information on the screen as well as down in the description box below. But it's pre-cut, so now you don't even have to worry about that. The lace is really nicely tinted. It has an elastic band attached to it, and this is the adjustable one. They also have the grippy material on the back part of the wig, so that's not gonna slide either. It has one good size comb on the back, so you are able to tuck your wigs. I'm gonna try to make this glueless and hairsprayless, but we'll see how I feel about it. These knots are looking really realistic, and they did great with the pre-bleach method that they got going on. So let's go ahead and get started.
Girl, you on my best side.
Look at how nice that blends in with my complexion. I'm glad that I chose not to braid my hair down because it just helps give that super flat illusion to your wig. Do you see her? This is like a wig wearer's dream. The hair is super soft and the wave is super nice. Nadula said, y'all be saying beginner friendly, but we about to show you what beginner friendly looks like, baby, cause eating. I don't even think I'm going to curl my see that this was like a 5-second install. Look at how well these baby hairs are laying and they're molded down. They got the density of the baby hairs right. I'm obsessed, like, see that? No glue, no hairspray needed. This lace looks up close and personal. Lace quality is amazing. Pre-cut on this, so jagged, so it can look a bit more realistic.
Especially when the past ain't been that friendly to you, but there's magic in that. You the flower that I whole life round. You can confide in me. I can take the.
Are y'all understanding what's happening? Are we literally not gonna have to do anything to get a flawless install? I'm really just shocked though, y'all. Like, I'm about to get off camera and go to the bathroom to see if this really looks this good. I do love my parts to look a little messy, but I do see a little slight line demarcation right up in here when it comes to my wig cap. So I am going to fill the part in just so we're not clocked. Take a little bit of my Charlotte Tilbury concealer. You can use any concealer, to be honest with you. Whatever just helps most realistic for a part.
Before I had you, this shit was fantasy. You plant a seed, it grows some roots, a branch and leaves becomes a tree.
I really do think that this is a glueless and a hairsprayless wig. I'm just doing it for the sake of like what I have to do, like I said, try on things. But if I was just literally running errands, not having to put clothes over my head, I would literally not put any hairspray on this wig.
And she see my best side.
I have like a love-hate relationship with elastic bands. I don't know why I'm excited about using this one today. Maybe it's because it's like a beige nude. Okay, she's still centered. So I'm going in with that heat protecting serum because I like to use it as like an oil sheen almost, just to get rid of any of that crusty look from that hairspray. But get into the pre-plug, y'all.
Been around like hella propellers. Wanna know who you with? Don't tell them. Come on, fellas. That ain't none of your biz. Got on your body.
Let me know how you guys feel about hairsprayless, glueless wigs. Do you feel like this is meant for you? Because I think it's meant for you. It's a little 1-2-1-2 throw on moment. You cannot beat this. Like, everything is just eating, y'all. I love you guys so much. I'm so happy that I was able to do a talk through with you guys. You do have a discount code down below, so make sure you check it out. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye, y'all.
Little fears, music to my ear. Okay, say it loud, say it proud. You want it more? We open door, hit the couch, then the floor. I cut it up like a scissor, love galore. She never bored. There's so much shit we can do. You free to say whatever, baby. Nadula.